What's up, my beautiful kings and queens? If you want to see how I got this beautiful, sleek, high puff on an old wash and go, then just keep on watching. Now, can I flex for you a little bit? What is going on, all of my beautiful curly kings and queens, and welcome back to another video, y'all. So today I'm going to show you guys how I get my curly puff on an old wash and go. You guys, about like my wash and goes, they usually last between 6 and 7 days, and usually my hair, you know, look like this or whatever after a good old 6 or 7 days, y'all. She's still popping, and she could still probably go another 4 or 5 days. I'm not even gonna hold you, but that's simply because, like, when I do my wash and goes, I tend to keep up with her during the week. I don't really touch her a lot, and when I go to sleep, I make sure I wrap my hair up nicely. Let me just give you a look into it before we get her all picked out and, you know, big or whatever. But this is what an old wash and go looks like on me or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get too close to the camera. Hold on. Do you see it? You see what we working with? Here. Listen. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna show you how I get my puff. So just keep on watching, honey. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start out with oiling my scalp with my Canvas Hair Blossom Serum, and I'm gonna go ahead and massage it. I don't know what it is about applying oil to my scalp and then getting my massager and really getting into it, but for some reason it just loosens up a lot of the tangles and the knots that I have at the root of my hair. So when it's time for me to go ahead and pick my hair, it will be easy. I don't have to rip through my hair. I don't get stuck. It makes it a lot easier to just pick my roots out. So yeah. Y'all, my baby, she just be staring at me while I'm doing my little videos. She is so cute. Hey girl, welcome to the camera. Hey girl, say hey. Okay. I don't remember the name or the brand of this scalp massager, but I do know I got it off of Amazon. But if I can find the exact name, I will put it in a little text on the side so you guys can go and get it too, because y'all, this thing is amazing. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just pick my hair out. I also got this pick off of Amazon, and I also don't remember the name of this either, but I will go look it up, and I will also drop that in the text. Next, I'll be using my water and my Wetline Extreme Styling Gel. I like to make sure I get the perimeter of my hair, you know, pretty wet, you know, just so I can get the curls moving and get things formed and shaped to my liking. You know, you got to make sure you wet it up enough where when you brush it or comb it, it doesn't break your hair or break your edges. So yeah, I'm just going to push it back, honey, and get it nice and wet. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my gel around my perimeter. This is more so just so it can be easier for me to slick my hair back. If I were to just use the Wetline Extreme Gel, it would not give me a very solid hold, which is why eventually I will be adding my edge control boost to it, you know, just to make it stick, you know, get it nice and firm. As I love the Style Factor Edge Booster. When I tell you this stuff holds my hair in place, this right here, oh baby, that's the magic. Now the scent of this is called Acacia Scent. Now when I tell you, honey, it smells so good. This one is almost empty. I have so many of these different scents, but this particular one, it's my favorite, okay? Yeah. This particular headband, I absolutely love it because it allows me to adjust how tight or how loose I need it. I purposely bought this one because I am prone to getting headaches and migraines, and I cannot have my headbands too tight. And then on top of that, my edges are so sensitive, you guys. They will literally break off by the blow of the wind, honey. So like, it is important for me to have headbands that I can adjust, and it's important for them not to be too tight. So although this looks sleek or whatever, it is not tight at all. I feel no pressure. I don't have a headache from it. It's all good. So I just want to say, you guys, I don't know what it is about me being on camera, honey. I don't know what it is about my hair that it just has a different level of respect for me when we are on camera. But I have never laid my edges like this. Like, hold on, let's get into it. What is that? What you got going on here? You showing up and showing out, and that's what I like. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. This is what we are working with, and I think we are working with quality. No, but you guys, like, come on now, like, look at it. Look at her. You see her? Come on. Yes. So yeah, you guys, so my last video, listen, I told you guys I was going to be coming back with a better quality video. I got my little ring light, I got my little microphone, honey, and I feel it in my spirit. I feel it in my bones that you can see this quality. Evidently my dryer want to go off while I'm talking. But yes, you guys, I'm very happy that I was able to get everything set up. It was a bit of a hassle, y'all, because I didn't know how to work half of this stuff. And then I kind of had to change my background a little bit because my tripod was too big. It was just a whole lot. But I got it together for you guys, which means my next wash and go will be on point. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, I don't understand. I hope you were able to, I guess, learn a few things from me, child. And now, if you did like my video, make sure you guys like, comment, and please subscribe. And if you really feeling, if you really feeling kind today, go ahead, share my video with a loved one, with a friend, whoever. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and share my video, you guys. But yeah, bye.